everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Wi-Fi passive income streams. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one.
This isn't a full-time business, it's an automated paycheck. Whether you're brand new or know your way around, this works. No brand to build and no business to launch. You're not here to scale, you're here to get fast results. No funnels. No emails. No awkward DMS mobile phone. We just tap to share content. Rightward arrow, we get paid. Rightward arrow, repeat. It's our personal AI powered money switch, built for speed, simplicity, and zero stress. And yes, it works anywhere you've got Wi-Fi. It's in our pocket and it's been hiding in plain sight. You don't need to show your face or record content, because all we're doing is sharing already viral trending content with one click. Once activated, it goes to work to get big results from trusted affiliate networks like WarriorPlus, JVZoo, ClickBank, and DGStore24. It uses AI to do the grunt work for you, so while you're scrolling, chilling, or half asleep in bed, the system is working in the background, stacking commissions you didn't even see coming. What looks simple is secretly loaded with profit triggers. Most people scroll right past it. They see a tap, a link, a faceless clip, and they miss what's really happening. Because behind every 30-second action, there's a chain reaction. AI kicks in. Hidden offers activate. Commissions flow in from places you never even touched. It's fast. It's invisible. It stacks while we do nothing. And that tap you've heard about, that's just the beginning. One tap pulls in $50 before breakfast. Another tap gets us $100 by lunch. Next thing you know, a $250 payout drops in from a hidden affiliate offer you didn't even promote directly. That's what happens when your system doesn't just make money. It multiplies it. With Wi-Fi passive income streams, you're not relying on one trick or hoping one hustle works. You're tapping into a stack of methods that quietly run in the background, all at once. Some pay fast. Some keep paying. Some feel like they came out of nowhere. But together, they add up. Quick. Start with one, activate the rest, and let the income build while your phone and Wi-Fi do the heavy lifting. Then this is for you. It's about tapping once and letting the system unlock multiple streams of income in the background. You'll discover plug and play one-tap methods that So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.